Hi guys, how are you? Hope mko poa. My name is Betty and today's video guys it's starting at Mocha City Hotel. This is a hotel located at Nairobi Town CBD. I have never been here but I love everything in this hotel. I love their services and also I love their food and they are so affordable.
A broken heart that was already shattered, holding on to what we have, and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have, and take us to the edge and back.
Okay guys, I'm at Naivas supermarket. I want to buy a fridge for my new home. As you know guys, I don't have a fridge and I came across these two fridge which have the same liter and also the same size. Everything is the same and I don't know why the darker shade that I'm opening right now it's more expensive than the other one, but I wasn't understanding the reason why, because they have the same everything is the same. So I had to call a lady to come and explain for me because I wasn't understanding. So I came to realize that they are selling the color it's more expensive than the other one because there was not any difference. So I decided to pick the darker one. It's the brand it's Samsung. Yeah, I decided to pick that one because it looks so smart and also it looks so good. So I'm going to pick this one, the darker one, but I'll show you guys at the end of this. And also right now I'm signing the the warrant. I'm signing the warrant so that I can go and pay. So I'll show you at the end of it.
Everybody's got echoes, but don't look away. Gotta stare them down to let them go. I will be the ground beneath your feet, pull you out from underneath. Hold on to me.
I want to deep clean my kitchen because it's so dirty, and what I'm starting with is to clean all the dirty utensils. And before that I want to empty this dish rack so that I can have enough space for the other utensils that I'm cleaning.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
I'm done cleaning my kitchen and it's super clean. I love everything in this kitchen. Although I'm going to do some few changes here and there, I'm thinking of buying a new curtain for this window because it doesn't have a curtain, and also buy new mats because I only have this one set. And I paid for the fridge but they have not delivered. I'm waiting for them today. They're going to deliver it today. So yeah. I'm taking my daughters out for lunch and they also want to swim, so that's where we are heading to.
To let go of all of the nonsense that you pulled me through.